So here I'm at the petrol station. I've just filled up £73. Now, why have I bought this petrol £73? 3 years ago, it cost me £50. But why am I still buying it? How can the petrol companies justify putting it up? And why do we still buy it? Well, we can explain that using price elasticity of demand, because petrol is inelastic at the current price changes. Let me show you. I'll just go back to the office. Right, we can explain this with price elasticity of demand. What that is a measure of how sensitive, so how much something changes, how much the demand changes every time the price changes. And with petrol, usually we're still at a place where we would say it is inelastic. Let me explain what that means. Basically, inelastic means that if you put the price up, people are still going to buy it. If you put the price down, people are still going to buy it. So you might as well put the price up because you will make more profit. That's what's happened with the petrol station. Why has that happened? Well, these are the main reasons why petrol is inelastic at the moment. It's a product that's essential. If I fill my car with petrol today, I need it. I need that petrol. I can't afford not to buy it. I need to be able to get to work. So I don't have a choice. It hasn't got any substitute. I can't put bananas in my car. I can't put cornflakes in my car. I have to put petrol in my car. So there's no substitute. There's not something else I can put in that car instead of petrol. So the petrol stations have got me. It's not an addictive product, okay, but there are some products that would be inelastic, like cigarettes. They put cigarettes up in price, people still buy them because they're addictive. And find the time scale, okay? To keep putting the price of petrol up, next time I buy a car, I might get an electric car. But at the moment, I don't have a choice. In the short term, I have to buy petrol. So let's show you what that means with a calculation. This is the crucial formula that you will need in an exam. The formula for price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in demand divided by the percentage change in price. You need to know that for your exam, okay? So you will be given the percentages or you will need to work the percentages out. So let me show you an example of why petrol is inelastic at the moment. Okay, for petrol, the current price, let's just say for example the current price is £1.40. And the petrol companies are thinking, shall we put the price up to £1.50? Is this a good idea? Well, if the price of petrol goes from £1.40 to £1.50, I'm still going to buy it. Okay? It's a 7% increase. £1.40 to £1.50 is a 7% increase. And they reckon, they've done some calculations, and they reckon that they will only lose 1% of their customers. So a 7% increase in price means they're going to get a lot more money for every litre they sell, and they're only going to lose 1% of the customers. So let's put that into the formula. So the percentage change in demand is -1. They're only going to lose 1%. The price is going up 7%. So the price elasticity of demand is -1 divided by 7, which equals -0.14. And because the answer is less than 1, it is inelastic. Any answer that is less than 1 is price inelastic. That means the demand lost is a lot less than the price increase. So if you are lucky enough to own something like petrol station, the good idea is that you should put your price up, because if you put your price up, you are going to get more money, because people have to buy it. They don't have a choice, they don't have any customers. Other things that could be inelastic: cigarettes, gas, electricity. Okay? They're the sort of things that even if the price goes up, we have to buy. Okay? So inelastic products are products that when the price goes up, they only lose a small amount of demand.